Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have my daughter Lex tonight. She's going to be my helper. So we got some stuff at the Dollar Tree. That place is dangerous. Right, Alexis? We go in for 2 things and we come out with a whole bunch. So today we're going to be making some DIY snow globes and kind of make it look like a lantern. We're going to use picture frames. So we picked up some things to make our little decor today. We got these little fake snowballs that look like snow. We got these little village trees. They have the green ones with the snow and the white ones with the glitter. And then this one we got a Five Below though. It was a little bigger, gold with the fake snow and glitter. And then for the one project we're going to do, you need 6 5x7 picture frames. And then you want to get some lights. 2 of them we're going to put in there to have them light up at the bottom so it looks like a starry night. And then we got some of these little figures. The little red truck. This one's a little bench with the little lights. This one has 3 kids playing a snowball fight. And this one was Santa, Mrs. Claus, and Frosty. I got this glass vase. We're going to make one, no top on this one with the lights, but just a little decor. This is going to be on my fireplace. It's going to be very cute. And this was a pickle jar. So we're going to make this into one with Santa Claus and the big Christmas tree and the lights on top. So, let's get to it. So our glass jar is a little too small and narrow, so we're going to take out the camper and put in this little guy throwing a snowball. I think it will fit better. And here is our new little decor. thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again. Have a great day.